Before we get there though, I mentioned that I've done some background work, so I wanted to share that with you. For a nonprofit, we have a board of directors. I had to get some of the mission, vision, how things work, operations, all of that kind of high level information together in order to present to them. I've had 2 board meetings with them already. And so I took that information, and there's this tool called Gamma AI or Gamma.app. And I shared this last week, but I wanted to show you in detail what this app is like. And if you're interested in using it, I do have a referral code, I think, in the description. If not, let me know. I'll send it to you. You get some credits, I get some credits. We both win. So what I love about this tool is that it will generate a whole presentation for you based on just a little bit of information that you give it. So this option, you can create, you give it a 1-line prompt, and then it'll try and do all the rest of it for you. For me, I generally use this paste in text situation because I flesh out my ideas with ChatGPT, get a decent outline, and then come back to Gamma and just let Gamma flesh out the additional information and create the visuals. But it also has a website feature that I used. Now, I don't know how in-depth the web page functionality and features are because I use Lovable for that, but this is essentially where I came. And I had a high level, this is what a broad impact is. This is what I'm asked, what the goals are. Help me create a web page mock-up to start development. And this is what it spat out, which I was fairly impressed with. Now, none of these links go anywhere. It's very much a shell, but I'm okay with that. So it gave me a great hero section, really great language around what we're doing, why we're doing it. You're already giving, make it count more. It was really very close to if I had sat down and tried to, outline a website myself, what I'd want it to say. The smarter way to send money home, claim tax deduction, specify your donation. There's just so much here that I just thought was great. I wanted it to speak to the tax benefits specifically because I know that's something that our community doesn't necessarily know as much about as a whole. So I wanted that to be extremely clear, extremely plain, copy paste from the IRS website, just so that they know that this is not anything that we're making up. There's no 419 associated with any of this. This is very much legal tax strategy. And then a little bit of credibility, where your dollars go. We talked about transparency for users, simple steps. So as you can see, it really took the time to flesh out the ideas.